In this short video, I'll show you how Amazon lockers work. That way you'll have a safer delivery option as opposed to receiving packages at your home. Orders delivered to an Amazon locker helps prevent your packages from getting stolen right from your front door. To utilize this service, just choose Amazon Locker Delivery when you place your order. You'll be able to see all the locations near where you live. And each locker has a unique name to it, so it's easily identified. You'll then get an email notification when the package has arrived. Then head over to the designated locker. For me, the location and locker name I chose is Katie. Then use the touchscreen and enter the access code found on the Amazon confirmation email. At that point, one of the compartment doors will automatically open where you'll find your package. And that's basically how Amazon Locker Delivery works. One thing that makes this really convenient is that a lot of these lockers are accessible 24 hours a day, so you don't have to worry about picking up your package at a certain time. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.